our live show. This is Emily from K Home China. Welcome to our factory. We were founded in 1997 and located in Xinxiang City, Xiaodian. Here is the industrial gathering area. You will see near our factory there are many factories here, such as the manufacture of doors, windows. We're working together to make the container house. This is our entrance door of the factory. And today I will show you what is our container house and how we connected the container house together. What does included in this container house. Follow me, let's go inside to see our house. To see this side, this is the standard container unit. There are two. One is with the glass wall. The other used as a security heart. The standard size is 6 meters long by 3 meters wide, and the height is 2.8. You see, the width is 3 meters. Is very big. The first one, this used as a security heart. The container house can be customized. Like this, you can put glass wall or customize the doors or windows as your request. Let's go inside. Your house or your unit will be included, the doors will be included in, and with the locks, the keys are included in. And this is the windows for the container house. All the windows is sliding with double sliding door with the security heart and the mosquito wind inside. All the windows is like this to make sure your safety of the house. Let's go inside. The size of the door is 2 meters high with a width 950 millimeters. This standard unit with it is supposed to be a small offices here with a private. I'll see after complete the installation, the container unit with ceiling, light, switches, and air terminal switch, and socket. Inside you will see a socket over there. And here is the small toilet room. You will see this is after the house completed. We just put the 70 panel wall. The material is same as the wall panel which you see outside, and you put inside and separate the house like a small room. And after put this wall to make it shows more beautiful. Also, we will put these bending parts to cover the edge to make it more beautiful. This is all aluminum. You see on the top here and that side. Also at this corner, to make it more beautiful or more prevent water leak inside. Also, we will put these bending parts. This will be more beautiful. And this can be put as proof for the windows, for our standard windows. Every window we will include, this one will be included in. It will prevent mosquito go into your house in summer, and it's very useful. The material is PVC material. This is the standard units. Let's go. I will show you the connecting container house, like a big building. Let's go outside. 我们去外边压那个。Follow me. You will see on my left hand there is a beautiful house. There are 2-floor building with a full glass wall in front. This is used as our offices for the workers. You will see the first floor. There are 4 units connected with each other. And the second floor, there are 3 units with a balcony next to it. The container house can be customized as you request. It could put glass windows or like the normal ones, and the type of the design and the type of the glass wall can be customized also. Let's go closer. I will show how we connected the house together. 我们近一点。The container house can be stacked up, maximum 3 floors. Why we can stack up it only 3 floors? Because of the foundation. Let's see our foundation. It's a full cement slab, not like the traditional construction brick building with a very deep foundation under the ground. It's just put on the surface of the cement slab like this one. And for the container house, when it connected together, like 2 units connect together, we will put a ceiling strip. Which will prevent the water or wind go into your house. 我们去楼上吧。And on this corner, you will see a down pipes. That will drainage the water down to the ground quickly. Let's go inside. You will see our office, because people are working here. So we will have a quick look at it. Then we go upstairs. The inside will be the same. Let's For more than 1 floor, we can provide these stairs together. The stairs will provide handrails to protect your safety. You will see all our house is with screws and bolts. All the parts is connected together by screw, bolts and nuts. This is the second floor. This unit, we didn't put the roof and the column and the wall panel used as a balcony. And the floor is the same as the standard unit. This is the MGO board. MGO board is waterproof and very, very durable. And like this is switches for the container house. And for the balcony, we can put these handrails all the handrails connected together by bolts and nuts. So for our house, when you receive it, you do not need any welding at the site. Just connected by handhold tools is enough. Let's go inside to see what does our house included after completed. I will turn on the light first. Firstly, you are seeing our ceiling. This is much more beautiful, and the long strip. This type, for each unit, we use 6 units, 6 pieces of the ceiling. 6 pieces of ceiling. For why we use this big one? Because it will be very much easier for you to assemble it at the site. If the small piece, it takes you more time at the site to assemble it. But if the big one, it will save your time. We know the labor cost is also one important reason and one important thing need to consider for this with each other. How we connected the 2 units together. Firstly, you will see this one, the connection part. We will connect somebody will have questions. When you connected 2 units together, there no need more panels. Will it be cheaper? Let me show you. When we connect together, we will provide many things extra to make your house more beautiful. Like this ceiling, this aluminum cover, this bending part, and will cover that connection joint. And for the wall, there are 2 columns. So we also need this bending part to connect the wall together. And you will see the floor. It's a smooth surface. And also we will put the aluminum panel to cover the surface. So after you cover it, your floor will be very smooth. For this window, is a standard one. After assemble, you can put this curtain. See, this is a mosquito screen, and all the window is sliding with these locks. And this security heart. And at the corner, we also will provide you this bending part to make the corner more beautiful. And after your house assemble, we also provide this roof skirting line, like this one, and floor skirting line. Like this one. We upgrade it. The standard type is white PVC, and on this shelf is some samples of our wall material. For the wall, the material can be customized for some extremely cold or strong windy parts. They want to make the house more durable or make your room more warm. The insulation is the rock wool insulation. This is the best fireproof insulation in the market. It means it won't burn when you fire it. It won't burn. And this is 100 millimeters. This is also, you can compare, this is 100, and there is also 75 millimeters thick, or even thicker, 150. It depends on your request. Let's see clear how we connected the wall together. The width of the wall is 950 millimeters wide. How we connected piece by piece. There is a belting. There is belt, like this one. Let me take. 不太一样，这个没有。All the wall here have a belt, so the belt connected with each other, make it very tighten. And then the surface will be like this one, very smooth surface, inside and outside. What does this one used for? When we fix the electrical wires, because for our house, all the light, switches, and sockets are already included in. So someone don't like see the wires on the surface of the wall, like this one. So we need to hide the electric wires inside the wall. How we do it? We put the wires through this hole, and like this one. Through this hole, come in. In this part, we will use a drilling machine through this side and drilling a hole. Put the wires inside. Like put the wires inside. Come here. These hidden wires. This is one way to make the electric. And also there is another way. Just put the wires on the surface of the wall panel. That also be possible. Let's come back to this wall panel. This is one material. There is also another, like this is polyurethane sandwich panel, and this is more strong, like more strong and more durable. Also, the price is almost 2 or 3 times more than this rock wool sandwich panel. And there is also another type. The price is between each other, like polyurethane sealed rock wool sandwich panel. Means only on the connection part, these small parts, we use polyurethane, and all the middle parts also choose rock wool. And this price is in the middle of the polyurethane and the rock wool. For why we choose this connection? Because you will see this connection will be more tightened and will be more beautiful compared with these two connections. The connection part is different. And these dormitories also can be used for toilet rooms, shower rooms. For your shower room, we can put this shower head and hand spray, this all the necessary parts for your toilet room. It also can be choose. And those are the roof panel. For example, you want to put a slope roof on the top of the container house. It also can be choose. We can put this as used as the roof panel. And this is a floor ladder. After the standard floor ladder we use for the house is 1.6 millimeters. And if you want thicker, it's also possible, like 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Even the vinyl floor, like this one we choose, is a vinyl floor, 4 millimeters thick. This is more anti-slip, more waterproof, and more durable. Of course, this vinyl floor will be expensive than the PVC floor ladder. Okay, this is also the glass wall for the container house. From inside, you can see outside very clear. But as we see just now, from outside, we can't see inside at the daytime. And this is aluminum frame, broken bridge aluminum frame, very durable. And the glass is double layer. The thickness of the glass can be chosen. This one we choose is 5 millimeter plus 12 millimeter plus 5 millimeters thickness. When we close it, it's soundproof, windproof. See, when we close it, it's very quiet inside. Let's go inside this. Inside this room used as a small accommodation for one of our staff. He lives here. Use small plastic films on the roof, on the wall. All have this plastic films. For your house, we will provide it on all the wall. This will prevent on the transportation on the way when the wall stack with each other. Avoid the friction. It means if the wall freak with each other, it will be danger or something else. We put this, will protect it to make it more beautiful after it reaches to your side. Even the ceiling, we also provide it. And you see our wall panel is durable. If you want to put the air container like this, we can put directly on our wall. Oh, this one is we can see the West. This is the China standard. For your country, we can provide international standard socket. Make sure you can use in your country. Okay, this is the smart living room. You see. Okay. Let's see this wall. When we connected the wall, connected two units together, and we want to put these partition walls. This one. Firstly, we need to connect two units together with that bending part on the roof, on the floor. Then we put the wall, fix the wall, and the sides, the location of the doors and the windows can be chosen. This is also the standard entrance door for this container unit. It can be closed very easy. And even you want to change the location of the door, that's also possible. Okay. Let's go into our factory to show you how we produce each components of the container house. Let's go downstairs. We are loading the fence. You can this is the floor panel for the standard container house. This is the MGO board. The thickness is 18 millimeter. The thickness is 18 millimeter, and we will customize into the proper size as you required when you receive it. So it will save your time at site to cut. Let's see the roof. For the steel, it don't afraid of sunshine, but it's afraid of rain very much because the steel, when it get rust, it will be have problem. So our house have upgraded for many times to make sure it's waterproof. It's kind of dirty, but it's almost the same as our standard unit. Firstly, on the end, there are 4 deep and wide water gutter. Deep and wide water gutter. On the roof, there is steel sheets. The steel sheets is not that flat because we need a slight slope that could drain the water down. From this way, this side, you will see more clear. In the middle part, we put the purlin higher than that next to it. So when it rains, the water will go down to this water gutter directly, and from the water gutter, it will go here at the column. This one, when we see the office, there is a small PVC pipes that drain the water off. So this is very useful. This is very useful when it rains. So for our roof, it's not just a very simple sandwich panel. It is a roof structure. So on the top, there is a steel sheet. Under this steel sheet, there is a glass wall insulation that make the house more comfortable, warm. Under the glass wall, there is roof purlin. Under the roof purlin, there is ceiling. So there are 4 layers for the roof, not just that a simple roof sandwich panel. It's more complex, but it will be more useful. Let's go into the factory. Firstly, on this part, you will see our raw material. From this raw material, we will bend it into different shapes and different sizes. You will see all our raw material is galvanized. All our raw material is galvanized, and the house, all the purlins, roof purlin, floor purlin, columns, all galvanized. It is anti-rust. Let's see our production machines. We put this rolling raw material on this one, and when the machine works, it will go. We will adjust it into different shapes, size, and slightly when it comes out, it will be our columns. Columns or beams. From this side, you can see when it comes out in this shape, it is used as our roof beam and floor beam. And this one, from this machine, when it comes out, it will be our column. You can see from this shape, it will be our column. After column comes out, it will be like this. And this is the hole for connecting the bolts. Our need to do any welding at your site. And this is still galvanized. After this done, after welding job is done inside this factory, we will move into our painting lines and use spray powder coated technology to paint this column into different color. You can choose yellow and white. This is our normally used color, and if you have a different request, it also can be customized. Even the beams also can be customized into as the purlins for roof and wall. Of course, it have different size for it. These are all is galvanized. This column is already after welding. We will lift it to our next factory soon to make the powder painting and also these beams. Those stacks are our purlins also. And this purlin, these beams, we will welding the small square tubes on it. This for we could fix the roof purlin or our floor panel on it. So it takes us a lot of welding job inside the factory. After you receive it, you can just connect it by our handheld tools enough. We will do all the welding job for you. And those, let's show you our most important and complex components for the container house. This is a corner connection part of the container house. It is very heavy. The thickness of it is 4 millimeters, and it won't come out from the machine directly into this shape. Firstly, we need to cut the steel plate into different shape. This one is one part, and this is one part. We need to cut it into different shapes and put the hole here. After put the hole, we will welding these small ones on it. Welding it, we will move the rust because it comes from steel plate. We will move the rust by hand inside our factory. Then we will put into the zinc factory to use hot dipped technology to put the zinc on the surface. So after it came out from the zinc factory, it's already galvanized again. After that, we will take it into our powder spray line to make it into different color. Make it into white color. So this is the most complex part for the container house. Very durable. And let's show you another part for our floor purlin, because the floor will undertake all the pressure and all the heavy parts for the unit. So we will put these small purlins between each floor purlins, and for this one we will put 30 pieces that will connect it each as a whole unit that could support all the heavy of the floor. After put this floor purlin, it will be more durable. And you will see it's also galvanized. 好了呀，基本上没啥了。And there is also one part, our water gutter. Water gutter, which is collect rainwater. So also very important. This is a water gutter that, as I show you just now, it puts on the roof connected with the beam together, which will collect rainwater. And this machine is for this water gutter. And we put the raw material that side, and when it come out in this shape. This is the water gutter. And we also have different solutions for the floor panel. Besides the MGU board which we see just now, there is also cement board, the green one, cement board. The cement board which is comes from the chemical and area, in humid area, like at the port in the rainy season, and we suggest this cement floor for you. And if in the normal places, the MGU board is okay. But the cement board is slightly expensive than the MGU panel. The thickness is also can be 15 millimeter or 18 millimeter. Okay, that's the each components of our container. 你还有什么要说的吗？ Okay, thanks for your time to our live show. Should you have any inquiries, any need, you can consult us. We will help you further. It can be used for offices, dormitories, toilet rooms, security huts, and small warehouse, classroom, anything. If you have any idea, just contact with us. We will help you further. Bye bye.